As the Ukrainian drone army tries to destroy any Russian equipment they stumble upon, Russian tanks have the thickest armor, and Russia trying to add extra protection like the VOG-17 2.0, which has a steel frame on top with explosive reactive armor. While hitting with a single lower capable shape-charged warhead on the VOG-17 could add some protection, it can often be avoided by drones like these. As a larger drone capable of dropping multiple warheads like the VOG-17 grenade, it hasn't got too much penetration capability, but destroys the T-80 with sheer numbers. As the drone home in on the back section of the tank, dropping over the engine compartment, which has thin armor and fragile parts, the tank doesn't stand a chance. During the 9 drops, 2 seem to hit ERA blocks, while 4 hit over the engine, showing that the VOG-17 can add value, but is often very limited, making it unnecessary, destroying another of Russia's tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.